Good morning, my dear children. Sairam. I hope you all are doing fine. So, children, I welcome you all in English online class. Today, we will start a fresh chapter from your New Voices book. Okay? From your New Voices book. So, children, you all know about solar system. Solar system consists of 8 planets, right, and the sun, right? All these 8 planets, that is your Venus, Mercury, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These are the 8 planets, which all together, these 8 planets and sun together makes your solar system. These all together makes our solar system, right? And sun is the main, right? Sun is the main. That means all these 8 planets get heat and light from the sun. From where do they get heat and light? They get heat and light from the sun. And among all these planets, Earth is the only known planet where life exists. Where we are living in planet Earth. So Earth is the only known planet where life exists. So Earth is also known as the unique planet, right? And all these 8 planets are smaller than the sun, but when from here, when we look at the sun, how it looks, how it appears, children, it looks very big, right? Like a ball, it looks very big. But sun is very far away from us, but it is very huge, enormous, so it looks big to us, right? So all these 8 planets revolves around the sun. That means they revolves around the sun, they take around the sun. All these 8 planets are smaller and sun is bigger, so they revolves around the sun. So when the smaller object revolves around the bigger object, those smaller objects are known as what, children? Those smaller objects known as satellite. Those smaller objects known as satellite. In the same way, Earth also has a natural satellite. Do you know? Do you know that, children? Yes. The only natural satellite of the Earth is the moon. Moon is the only natural satellite of the Earth that revolves around the Earth. Moon is smaller than Earth, but when we look, moon also looks bigger. Why? Because moon is closer to the Earth. Okay, and moon is the only planet. Only that object is the only natural satellite that revolves around the Earth, that circles or they take a round around the Earth. Okay, so now you all must be thinking why we are discussing about moon, stars, sun and all, because our chapter is related to the moon. Okay, so our chapter 12 is a walk on the moon. Our chapter 12 is a walk on the moon. A walk on the moon. Okay, so children, did you know that the moon is slowly drifting away? Drifting means is going far away from the Earth every year. Okay, every year this thing happens. So the moon moves roughly 3.8 centimeter further away from the Earth. After 50 billion years, the moon will take 47 days to orbit the Earth. To orbit the Earth, to take a round of the Earth, it will take 47 days after 50 billion years. Okay, compared to the current time. Current time is 27.3 days, that is approx 28. Okay, that means moon takes 28 days to orbit around the Earth. But after 50 billion years, how many days? 47 days. It will take 47 days. And there are over 5 lakh craters on the moon's surface. Okay, so children, now before starting the chapter, you all know that we always discuss first new words, right? So now let's begin. So the first word is astronauts. The first word is astronauts. Astronauts. ASTRO Nauts. Astronauts. You all know astronauts. What is astronauts? Astronauts are the person who goes to the outer space, right? Then they are specially trained for that, right? Second is humanity. 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 Then third one is cosmonaut. 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 Fourth one is satellite. 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 Then fifth one is protect. 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 The next is spaceship. 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 Spaceship from which in which astronauts travel to the outer space, right? In spaceship, astronauts travel to the outer space. Then giant. Seventh one is giant. 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 Eighth is magnificent. 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 Ninth is desolation. 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 Tenth one is stuck. 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 Okay. Then 11th one is merrily. 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 12th one is radioed. 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 13th is opportunity. 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 Then 14th one is contemplate. 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 So these new words, children, you have to note it down in your notebook, and while writing these words you have to pronounce as well. Okay, pronounce it, learn all these words. Okay, now next is word meaning. Okay, word meaning. First word here is stuck. First word here is stuck. Stuck means unable to move. Stuck means unable to move. Get stuck in a one place. Okay, unable to move. Then second one is giant. Giant. Giant means huge or enormous. Okay, huge or enormous. Then third one is magnificent. Magnificent means beautiful and impressive. Beautiful and impressive. Fourth one is desolation. Desolation. Desolation means empty and sad looking. Empty and sad looking. Fifth one is protect. Protect means to save. Save. Then sixth one is opportunity. Opportunity means chance or moment. Chance or moment. This word meaning also you have to write it down in your notebook, right? Now make sentences. First word is giant. Giant. Jupiter is one of the giant planet. You all know that Jupiter is one of the giant planet. Second one is magnificent. The Taj Mahal is a magnificent building. The Taj Mahal is a magnificent building. Third is stuck. The wheels were stuck in the mud. The wheels were stuck in the mud. Fourth one is protect. Protect. Our aim is to protect Mother Nature. Our aim is to protect Mother Nature. Fifth one is opportunity. Opportunity means we should always grab the opportunity. Opportunity means chance, moment. We should always grab the opportunity. We should always grab the opportunity. This makes sentences also. You have to write it down in your notebook, children, and you know, right, that you can frame your own sentences also. No need to write the same sentence, no need to note down the same sentence. You can frame your own sentences also. Okay, children. Now see, children, now this chapter, A Walk on the Moon, is based on the real story. Okay, this chapter is based on the real story, real fact. Okay, so it is not imaginative one, it is a real story. Okay, it shows a reality which has happened. So this chapter, A Walk on the Moon, is all about Neil Eldon Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin. These two person, the story is about these two person, that is Edwin Aldrin and Neil Eldon Armstrong. Okay, now before that you should know who were they. Now Neil Eldon Armstrong was an American astronaut and aeronautical engineer. Okay, he was an American astronaut and aeronautical engineer, and he was the first person to walk on the moon. Neil Eldon Armstrong was the first person to walk on the moon, and he was also a naval aviator, test pilot, and university professor. Okay, and he was the, remember this, Neil Eldon Armstrong was the first person to walk on the moon. Okay, he was the first person to walk on the moon. And then the second person is Edwin Aldrin. Edwin Aldrin is an American former astronaut, engineer, and fighter pilot. Aldrin made 3 spacewalks as pilot of the 1966 Gemini 12 mission and as the lunar module pilot on the 1966 Apollo 11 mission. He and mission commander Neil Armstrong were the first two humans to land on the moon. Edwin Aldrin and Neil Armstrong was the first two humans to land on the moon. Okay, they were the first two humans land on the moon. Okay, now let's see, you have to choose the correct antonyms. Okay, correct antonyms. So the first word here is stuck. Stuck means not able to move, right? So what will be the antonym of stuck? Antonym means opposite, right? Stuck, antonym of stuck will be movable, immovable, or firm. Here stuck means not able to move. So what will be the antonym of stuck, children? Movable, immovable, or firm. Antonyms will be movable, right? Movable, antonyms means opposite. So immovable, firm, that means also stuck, right? Similar to stuck, that means not able to move. So what will be the opposite of stuck? Movable. Second word is giant. Giant means big, enormous, right? What will be the antonyms of giant? What will be the antonym of giant? Yes, antonym of giant will be colossal, tiny, or immense. Tiny, colossal, or immense both means similar to giant. Okay, third word is magnificent. Magnificent means beautiful, right? Impressive. So what will be the antonym of magnificent? Lavish, outstanding, or unimpressive? Yes, unimpressive, because lavish and outstanding is similar to magnificent. Fourth one is desolation. Desolation means lonely, right? Sad. Desolation, what will be the antonym of desolation? Loneliness, happiness, or isolation? What will be the antonyms? Happiness, because loneliness and isolation is similar to desolation. So what will be the antonym of desolation? Happiness. So children, this chapter, A Walk on the Moon, is about Edwin Aldrin and Neil Armstrong. They were the first person to step or to land on the moon, and this chapter is based on real story of these two people. Okay, real life story of these two people. So we will continue reading the chapter in our next video. Okay children, till then you note down or you write this new words, word meaning, and make sentences in your notebook, and also read the chapter. Okay children, so we will continue in our next video. Thank you children, have a great day. Sai Ram.